I wonder why black media is so silent about the murder of Diane Craig in Phoenix, Arizona by a Caucasian assailant. I think his name is Joshua Cody Bagley. And this happened just in May the 6th of this year, 2022. And when I seen the article, I thought at first that it was an old case or old murder because I didn't hear anything about it on black media. And I wonder why the silence. Now, she was on a bus in Phoenix, but there was only 2 people on the bus. And I do not know why she went to the back of the bus and why she did not sit in the front, especially at night where there's just 2 people. And I wonder why the bus driver didn't hear the noise during the strangulation. And then why did the judge, let that criminal out when he was in jail on a numerous amount of charges? But they let him out. Sometimes I think that the judge let those criminals out so they could do more heinous crime to keep the court busy. Because there was no reason that they would let him out. He was wanted a numerous amount of warrants. And so there's justice, had to be justice for Diane Craig. There's so many questions unanswered. Did she know him? Even if she knew him, which is not substantiated, he was wrong to strangle her. That's an understatement saying he was wrong to strangle anybody. Especially, in my case, I say especially a black woman. And what's the motive? And why there's so much silence about this case? There's a GoFundMe. Her father put up a GoFundMe page. And I think the last I seen, it was only up to about between $6,000 and $7,000. And he's asking for about $10,000 or $11,000 in order to bury her in a decent burial. But there are so many questions that I repeat. Why? Black media, especially the female black media, so silent on this case. Don't they want justice for the women? And to make other black women aware? Or they do not report it because it's a Caucasian man who did it to a black woman. But it should be more notice. And that $10,000 or $11,000 should have been raised in 1 or 2 days. And really, it's for curiosity's sake to know what's the angle. She was 41. He was 26, a criminal let loose on the streets to murder. But I only heard him mentioned maybe on about 1 channel on YouTube. And I said, repeat again, this is a recent case, not an old case. This happened May the 6th, and today I think is May the 15th. And I heard about it a few days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. But it's not widely spread. Maybe I have to do more searching and see how many people on black media report this heinous crime and to make us aware of what's going on in the streets.